F-150 Lightning. F-150 Lightning features 4 selectable drive modes: normal, sport, off-road, and tow haul, and is always 4x4. You get revolutionary power, on-the-go, available features like enhanced Pro Power on board, delivers up to 9.6 kilowatts, available at 21 charge points around the truck, including 11 outlets, enough to power an awesome tailgate or an entire work site. And at home, intelligent backup power makes the F-150 Lightning your own personal power plant, automatically powering your house for 3 days during an outage. This is a first for an EV truck.
There's the Mega Power Frunk. It's a whole new automotive term. You press a button, and the whole front of the truck opens. Now, range will never be a concern with this truck. You charge it overnight, and with the extended range batteries, we put as standard dual onboard chargers that make the charging go really fast. And this F-150 Lightning starts at just under $40,000. And that's before you get your federal or state tax credits.